Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we have a nail haul, and this nail haul is all AliExpress items. I've been super impressed with AliExpress lately. I've been ordering so many things and receiving them within 2.5 weeks, so I'm really stoked in regards to that. And yeah, I'm just ready to show you guys the things that have came so far, and I'm super excited. So grab a snack or a drink and I hope you guys enjoy. So the first okay, so one of the things that has came recently, actually this came today, so I was really excited to show you guys, is these Hello Kitty charms. So I was really excited about this, so I decided to get the bedazzled ones. I believe I have like 1 or 2 of these. Usually small businesses sell these like individually, but I just wanted a couple, you know, to have. And I love how they're already bent for it could go perfectly on the nail towards the back. And this is what they look like. They're so cute and the perfect size for a nail. So this is what they look like. These are just some bedazzled Hello Kitties, super cute, and they came in this container. Then we also have these, and I've been in the lookout for these, but I wanted a good amount for obviously a great price, and AliExpress is just the place for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what they look like. They're actually really great quality. The face looks really good. I have purchased from AliExpress in the past, and some faces are hit or miss, or they're like missing an eye or something, but these are definitely very great quality. And some of them are actually sparkly in the inside. They have like shimmer and glitter, and others are plain, so I really like that. And it brings quite a good amount. So we have all of these right here. So yeah, I don't remember exactly how many they are, but it brings a really good amount, so really happy about that. Let me put that back. I'm not sure if you guys got to see the shimmer up close, just in case you didn't. Hopefully the camera's catching it, I'm not sure, but yeah, they're actually really good quality, so I'm really happy in regards to that. So the next thing that I'm picking out are some stickers. I love getting my stickers from there, so we have that, and we also have a freebie, so that is really nice. Thank you to them. So they put all the stickers in this same like packaging, which is totally fine because I did order quite a few. So the ones that I went ahead and ordered were these. I thought they were really nice and different, so I got those. Of course, I love my Hensas, so I got that. I went ahead and got these. Thought they were cute as well. Oh wow, I keep grabbing more than I should. I went ahead and got these. I love these. These are definitely my favorites, or at least one of them. I love cartoon sticker sheets. I got these, some evil eyes. I also got these. I love these. Even though they're really easy to create on your own with nail art and dotting tool, but just wanted to have them like this as well. Then I got these. But anyway, so
I got from that seller, so I'm gonna go ahead, place these here. That's a freebie.
Next, we have some charms. These actually came in today as well, so I'm really excited in regards to these. These are little Kawaii charms and stuff. Some of them are like Hello Kitty's friends. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you this. And I ordered these like maybe 2 weeks ago, if anything. Probably came sooner, honestly. Like, it's just, I'm so impressed because usually it takes months, but I don't know. I guess I've been lucky lately. So we have some of these in there. They're so, so cute. Love these. We have these. That fox is so cute. We only got one Kuromi, however you pronounce it. Unfortunately, just one. Oh, now I see like a puppy here. So cute. So, yeah. Show you how tiny they are. See, super tiny. So we have that. Next we have, okay, so this, the packaging like was like it's like in a clear, so it was in something like this and it was like broken from the sides, so I decided to take them out. So we get like some making desserts, I think we get 2 of each. And then you get these as well, which are really cute. And then you also get 2 of these, which are really pretty. So we have that. We also have these stickers. We also have some more stickers. So we have these Bratz doll stickers, but they were so cute, I had to have them. We also have some Barbie. And then we also have some more Bratz. I have to have these, so cute. Then next, we have some more stickers. So here we have our freebie, so thank you. Then I got these Dumbo water decals, along with these Winnie the Pooh water decals. And I also got some Winnie the Pooh stickers. Thought that would be cute. And then we got some Lilo and Stitch ones. We had some Jasmine ones. I love this one, so pretty. And we had some Belle ones. I believe that's her name. Yes. Okay. So we have that so far. We have some more charms. Oh, okay, so I got these Barbie ones. Can't see them that well, so what they look like. So I believe this brings 10. And then the coolest thing of all are these charms. I just ordered these like not even 2 weeks ago and they're here. I am so stoked with these. They're so cool. I can't wait to create a video with a nail set using these. They're too cool. Look how cute these are. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. I'm so happy. My favorite charms. They're just so cool aesthetically. Okay, so we have that. And then lastly, what we have are some more stickers, and that's literally it for the haul, the AliExpress haul. So here is our free gift. Okay, we have some more water decals. It's really nice of them. Throw that away. So we got some more Barbie stickers. Thought these were cute. I didn't have them. And by the way, all of this stuff is from AliExpress. I will have everything linked down below that is still available. We have these. These are so cute. I love these. And then I think these are the last ones that I got. Not 100% sure if I showed these, but we have these as well. Yeah, we have a lot of cute ones. So these are all the Barbie ones that I chose. But yeah, that is literally it for today's haul. How can I fit these in here without hiding the other ones? Okay, so that is pretty much it for today's video. All of these things are from AliExpress. If you guys have any questions down below, don't forget to write them down in the comment section. Also, let me know what was your favorite item or items in today's video. If you guys have ordered from AliExpress recently, I'd love to know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next upload.